Hey guys, what if I told you zero point 0.1 grams of filament is enough to protect your privacy? Your webcam is always watching and sometimes you just don't want to be on camera. Well, in this video, we will design and 3D print a micro webcam slider to physically block a computer or smartphone camera. We're going to start by designing the base plate for the webcam cover. We're going to create a new sketch and we're going to select the front plane. I'm going to select the center point straight slot and snap it onto the center. Make sure it's horizontal. And now I'm going to use the Smart Dimension tool. The length of this slot will be 18.5 millimeters, and the width of this slot will be 9.5 millimeters. Click OK. Now we're going to go to the Features tab and go to Extruded Boss Base, and we're going to extrude it 0.6 millimeters. So we're going to click OK, and I'm going to select the center point straight slot once again. Use the Smart Dimension tool. The length of this inner slot will be 14.5 millimeters, and the width of this inner slot would be 5.5 millimeters. Okay, now we're gonna select the Features tab, go to Extruded Cut, and we're gonna make a cut through all. And the last thing we need to do is create a draft angle on these inner walls. So we're gonna select the draft feature. We're gonna select the faces to draft. And then we're going to select a neutral plane, which would be the front face of this base plate. We're going to click OK. And there you go. That's our base plate. Now we need to design the slider. So we're going to create a new sketch, select the front plane, select the center point straight slot, make sure it's horizontal. We're going to use the Smart Dimension tool. The length of this slot will be equal to 11.6 millimeters, and the width of this slot will be equal to 9.5 millimeters. Click OK. We're going to go to Features, we're going to go to Extruded Boss Base, and we're going to extrude it 0.35 millimeters. We're going to press OK. We're going to select the front face and we're going to sketch, and we're going to select the center point straight slot. We're going to use the Smart Dimension tool. The length of this inner slot would be equal to 7.7 millimeters, and the width of this inner slot will be equal to 5.5 millimeters. And then we're going to boss extrude this inner slot. So we're going to click on Features, Extruded Boss Base, and we're going to boss extrude that 0.77 millimeters. And we're going to click OK. And there goes our slider. Now that we've finished designing both parts for the webcam slider, I imported both to Cura Slicer. I decided to choose a default profile. I chose the extra fine profile, and I pretty much kept all the settings the same except for the infill density, which I reduced to 10%. You can play around with the settings if you'd like, but I'm going to keep them as is. And now I'm just going to click on Slice. And as you can see, this print is only going to take 2 minutes, and it's only going to use 0.1 grams of material.